Yep. I have to videotape you shoe shopping.
Why?
I don't know.
So similar to the ones I have right now.
Probably the same.
No, just similar.
Why is there some random like cup thing? Wow.
Yuck.
Fuzzy, fuzzy, fuzzy. Oh, this ground feels weird. Boots. They look like bags. There's a 9.
Yeah, no, I'm 10.
Did you get a 10?
Yep.
Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Our trip to Walmart.
Hmm?
Our trip to Walmart. Fun stuff.